Welcome to Entertainment Update. You are about to watch Appleton's Signature Nights with Christopher Martin and friends at Guangos, part 3 of 3.
All the ladies who've been drinking, but drinking responsibly. When you go out tonight, it's gonna be serious business, right? It's gonna be big deal business, ladies. That's how we gonna make love under the influence, making love under the influence, and yeah, be loving to know under the influence, baby, what an experience, and yeah. Have you ever done it in a plane? Now 30,000 feet above the clouds, I can see the rain. You're screaming out so loud, I think the angels want my name. Ladies, I'm giving you this pleasure while I'm taking over your pain. You can't complain, I say you gotta make under the influence, making love under the influence, and yeah, the loving to and I say, ladies, you're mine, you're all mine. You're the only ones on board this private flight of mine. Up and down my roller coaster ride tonight. It's turbulent, the skies are rough, but ain't no one disturbing us. What a rush. I said we gonna make love under the influence, making love under the influence, and yeah, the loving. Under the influence, what an experience. Yeah, gonna make love, love, love. Make some noise for Carl and Kay for me, please. Now I know you saw my friend D Major. You saw the beautiful Moish. You understand? You know, and I have a lot of friends here tonight. So I got one of my friends them who did this song. So drop it. Now call him name. We can just walk out. You understand? But the girl them. Ladies, this song is called "Wind Up for Me." Okay? So if you're here beside a man, wind up. It's very sexy, ladies. Wind up. So many pretty girls in this party. So many pretty girls party. This how women stop. Girl, wine. Do me like you wanna blow my mind. Baby, I am yours. You are mine. I can spend the night, so take your time. And just wind up for me. Pretty girl, when you wind up for me, wind up for me. Take your time and climb up for me, wind up for me. Come wind up for me, wind up for me. Wind up for me.
Take your time and wine for me, can so up and two years and sexy can. She come out from Jamaica to live from Toronto. Me invite her up in the Congo. She want some rough for the Rambo. Got your body sexy like me Lambo. She know how to show me the Congo. Me give her the Jamaican Congo.
Wind up for me, pretty girl, when you wind up for me, oh, wind up for me. Take your time and climb up for me, oh, wind up for me, bum bum, wind up for me,
some glamour,
wind up for me. Pretty girl, when you wind up for me,
she come for your nose and the dancer portion. Me love all she motion. Girl, your skin crude like you're peeling up full of Jergens lotion. Now wind up because an explosion. Girl, your bumper soon cause a commotion. Girl, I'm in a me back hell.
come get a groove on the island, girl, wind up for me. Pretty girl, when you wind up for me, wind up for me. Oh, take your time and climb up for me. Wind up for me,
level,
bum bum, grind up, take it up,
level. Big up Appleton's Signature Nights.
Definitely.
Thanks for inviting me to your
Big
show.
up Guangos.
Guangos and the whole family.
Definitely.
Ladies, this song is a brand new song. Seeing Charley Black and Christopher Martin.
True.
Someone want to help me sing that song here, but not only sing it. Ladies, if you know
waistline,
your underwears that big like a pillowcase, you gotta whine.
You got to.
How me sound? One drop. Take your time, girl, wine pon the dance floor. After 3 days of sexy convo, she come to Jamaica, she left from Toronto. Me invite her up in a me condo. She wants some rougher than Rambo. Tell your body sexy like me Lambo. She no want cash to me do the tango. Me give her the Jamaican.
All of me ladies, wind up baby. Pretty girl, why you wind up baby? Wind up baby. Ladies, take your time and climb up baby. All my ladies now, wind up baby. Bump and wind up baby. Wind up baby.
Watch out. You can sing one more song before me couple is on top.
Of course, my brother man. Of course, my brother man.
Give me a one shot for the girl. One shot. No, pull up.
Pull up. You have to just sing it. Start it again. You don't let it out already.
Why you mix the rhythm for brother?
Just start it, cause the girl them ready.
Rhythm, man. Jesus Christ. Ladies, place your hands on your knees. Now, sink in the back. Take the time I look on him, man. Sapla my girls on the ready. Go! I got your big bump up on the bike back. Bump out the video bike back. See the jump on the picture. You like that? Yes, me like. In a short up shots on the bike. In the fight over my donor fight. Put your hand on the waist on the bike. Oh! Tell you sexy so tail. Shape like a half chicken pill. Drink up. Tell you bump up the hard girl. See the bike back there, come chill. Buy short time, show me your skirt. Me want to see every girl start whining and now. Up a time, girl, then go. Wine for me, girl. Time for me, girl. Wind up your body in the back. Like you are entertain party. Oh, shake for me, girl. Vibrate time, do it for me, girl. Run the back. Run back, cock up your big bump up on the bike back. Bump out the video, bike back. See the jump on it, look alright. What me like, yes me like. In a short up, on the back. Love her, Christopher Martin, come on my brother.
Forward in my boss.
Forward my brother. So you don't know, sir. Ladies and plenty people. This is Christopher Martin's show. And we are brother. I will say we are forward come my show.
True.
So you know say me say we are forward come my show.
Yeah.
Me show on my next mad brother backstage, my bigger brother.
Jesus.
Don't stop the rhythm, you know. Don't stop the rhythm.
Come carry this.
Here we go on now. Yeah. Watch what go on now. They call him a madman on stage. Them man are terrible. He may not laughing. Watching glass, watching boot, turf. Somebody said 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 turf. Up and down. When bass coming, step out to the block. But I'm not a one shot time. No, young again. And if that but not, then we get your cocky 9 months, she get babies. I'm in a lazy. Alright then. First one. So weed. Yeah. Somebody say hey.
Basically.
Pull up. Listen. Talk to the girl. I make her come off a man show. Talk to the girl. Make her come off. Make the man sing him song. Yo. Caliente que picante. Caliente que picante. Caliente que picante. Caliente que picante. Sablama. Caliente que picante.
Like it.
Caliente que picante.
Yeah.
Hey. Signature ladies. Y'all just wine on the edge, on the edge, on the edge. Wine on the edge, on the edge, on the edge. Y'all wine on the edge, on the edge, on the edge. Quint it. And y'all. You're too bad. Lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Don't say not. Oh, now if you make enough for nice to my friend, let me know. You understand? Okay.
No, hey. Play the something there with him. Make we sing. I want one signature. Yeah. Appleton signature nights. Yeah. So we have to do it right. We have to get the girl them sitting there. Yes. Yeah. That's sitting there. I want to take a picture. Lord Jesus. Yes, man. I'm going to sing for the ladies little bit there. Charley, I'm going to sing for the ladies them tonight too. I first time you're going to sing in your life, sir. Now sing that song, you don't move. Hello, baby, can you come? Hello baby, can you come home? I know loneliness taking off. Need you tonight. Come warm me up under the cup. Make me rock till the lampshade turn up. Rub my chest, rest your head for me show. And make me listen some I need to be. Appleton signature in a sub. I want to raise your heart. And I'm always missing, baby. Lovely. Charley Black, go and bounce it low. Charley Black, you sing for the ladies tonight. So even if you want them dance acts and they have to go sing it thunder with them tonight. Versatility. Appleton signature, versatility. Yeah. Love it. You know what thing go, right? Me have to sing one song for the girl them couple little bit. Called reggae. But ladies, baseline. Honey wine, give me the honey wine. Honey wine, give me the honey. Honey wine, give me the honey. Wanna know that song, yeah? Sing. I remember the first time when you touched me. You wine. To the gong. And girl, I remember when we first met. You tell me you want give me. Say girl, I wind up your body till you. Say till you gong. Hold on there. Appleton signature. I beg him to sing on them DJ for girl them. What you think? Say me I eat that. Hold on there, see singer ya. Chris Martin there, D Major there, and one of the artists there. Here, everybody big up themselves, Javada. Now try sing that Sydney. I can't sing like you sing at them, but listen to this. Level. Now I can't forget this evening when you're telling me leaving, and I have you there, and then you always smile, but in your eyes, your sorrow shows. Yes, it shows. Alright. And I can't forget tomorrow when I leave. Every day, but then I let you go. You are a girl, so beautiful, Appleton girls, you know. Yes, we love. I want to see everybody sing that part of him. I hear you know. Shh, level. I can't live if living is without. I can't live anymore. I can't live if living is without you. I can't live. Hold on. Baby. Brown-eyed girls, can I walk with you? No. Savama, terrible.
You gotta make some noise for my friends for me, please. Appleton Estate Signature Nights is such a wonderful vibe, you understand? So listen up, for all the hard-working people. You have to have some of it chill out. Big up to all the workers here from Guangos. Enough vibes in our show. And big up on yourself, you understand? So listen up. Regular schedule, squeeze. Hard-working people inside of Guangos right now. This one our food, you understand? Yeah, you don't know the guy already. Here. of the week will be bad days. When nothing at all now go my way. You know man feel like give up. When me say throw in the towel and give up. Well anyway, when work it has stressed me, Lord, I'm a girl now caressing me. You know me have a few spots, so when me rally, I me say all of me follow them. So when me tell you, me say big up all the shop, big up from the lead, big up the block, and then me big up any way you can. Full of vibe and release your stress and relax, yes. I me say big up all the shop, and big up the wild feel ready. Just before me go woman over your semester, you're your brother, you're well me. How about we tell you now everybody got somewhere. They go in the field, there's no way out. Fill up and shut up, we get out all of the struggles them I face throughout the day. Now you're a fee about over from home. 6 pack and 6 and dropping on a minute. Sing along then from your know that somebody you get. So when me tell you, me say big up, big up, big up from the lead, big up from the, and then big up anywhere you can. Full of vibe and release and release and release it. Lord God, big up the barbershop, big up the ball field where the ball is at the hour. Just before me go running over your semester, release from my heart, fill up from the cheers. Now anywhere you go to keep me not to release a prayer, shut off your blindness, take off your mind. Now every evening at certain time I know you can find me at my spot, and I'll be chilling on my block. I'ma tell you, me say big up the corner shop, big up a million, big up a block, and then me big up anywhere you can. Well I vibe and release and release and release it. Lord God, big up the barbershop, big up the ball field. Whoa, yeah. So big up over your semester, release and Guangos! If you're happy to be alive right now, can you make some noise for yourself, please? If you enjoy yourself tonight, make some noise for yourself, please. And listen, if you are drinking, I know you drink responsibly, because African State is all about drinking responsibly. And if you feel like you're over the limit, I know you have a designated driver. That's what we support, you understand? So big up all of my brethren them for coming from Kingston. Ready for it now? Reach home safely, enjoy yourself. And listen to me. Whatever you do in life, make sure it's a big deal. You understand? Martin and Dawson to the fullest now. All important people cannot see the answer. All right then. VIP. Now my friend them are VIP. VIP. How are you ask anybody more? Cause I'm a big deal. Tell me I'm a friend them a big deal. I wanna listen up again, I know I'm very important. Say man important for me. I wanna sing it if I get to I'm a big deal. Alright then, now my friends I'm a big deal. Alright then, very important. Now listen man important for me. Now listen up, this has nothing to do with the money, yeah. This one is all about self. So big up your chest and stand proud and don't matter about nobody, no man no more than no man for this. So whether you walk or you a drive, and it don't matter if you wait or black light. So me say from your feel good in yourself. Everybody push up on all, I tell all the haters I'm a big deal. Alright, tell them my friend them a big deal. So wanna listen up again, I know I'm very important. Now listen man important for me. One more time I get to know I'm a big deal. Oh my God, them my friend them a big deal. Now listen, very important. Now listen man important for me. Now listen up, it's like you have the Prime Minister, Lord, and then you have a way. That's how the order in a free country. Just not the status of the hierarchy. Ask anybody about it. I'm Mr. Four-Pack, it's a the great one. I'm Mr. Just One God, must have long gun. I'm a big deal. Alright then, I'm a friend, I'm a big deal. Well, listen up again, I know my very important. Listen, I'm important for me. You know my saying and I'm a big deal. Oh my God, I'm a friends, I'm a big deal. Now listen, very important. Now listen, I'm important for me. Take it out. Can you make some noise for my singer Carl for me, please? Could you make some noise for the beautiful Kay? Around here we have Grand Matheson on the bass. Make some noise noise for the bassy. On drums we have Lewin. Right here on guitar we have Neil. And on keys we have Sean and Antoine for the ladies. And together they're called the Jam Dons, okay? Make some noise for the band, understand, please. Now listen, as Jamaicans, take it down. As Jamaicans, I want us to understand that only us can keep ourselves down. You understand? We have to build nation. So if everybody build one, we'll be a stronger nation. You understand? So stop bad mind each other. Stop trying to kill each other. Just know say love is the real way. You understand? And listen up, this is a fact. This is how I view it, and this is exactly how it is. You understand? So listen. In our Guangos, not even the Prime Minister. Me no put above the way. Not a the order in a free country. Just not a the status of the hierarchy. Everybody, dance for